What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be installing this TDR water box. I'll take you through the whole procedure, show you how it's done, and if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks. Now that you got the water box off, go ahead and grab your 17mm wrench and remove the exhaust temp sensor. Now this is the part that you're going to use the water box that you purchased. As for me, I'm using this TDR racing water box. They have different styles, different water boxes, different prices. I'm going to show you a few of them right here. This is the Riva Racing. This one's at $429. Then they also have the WetJet Performance. This one's $750. Or you can get the TDR box at $340. Or they have this Siber Turbos at $225. Honestly though, I don't know how much of a difference there's gonna be. I have good luck with this TDR box. I have it on my GSX and I also have it on my other Spark, and I love the way that it sounds. Either way, so now we get back to the installation. You're gonna grab some thread sealing, you're gonna put it around your exhaust temp sensor and go ahead and just screw it back on, and then once you tighten it as far as you can, then go ahead and grab your 17mm and just give it a few more little torques, and then you're gonna be ready for the install. Now it's going to be time to put this thing back together. I'm reusing all my clamps and all my couplers. Just depending on the condition of your coupler, you need to make the choice of that. But standing at the rear of the hole, we're coming in from the right side and we're going to have to push this bracket aside. So just keep in mind that when you move this bracket that there's some pieces on top, these mounting points that could easily fall off, so be careful. And then we're going to slide the water box over the exhaust manifold first and then onto the couplers, and then just try to match everything up. Make sure everything's nice and firm and make sure your couplers are nice and tight. Don't forget to plug back the exhaust temp sensor and then zip tie it the way that it was. So that bracket that we moved earlier has these little pieces that could fall off real easy on the top. If they do, just make sure that you put them back in before you position it. And at the bottom of the bracket, it comes with this little rubber mount that you want to put on and then sit that bracket on top of it. And then just place everything back in the position of those two holes, because that's where we're going to be mounting the top of the hole to. Alright, for a quick recap here, we got the zip ties for the exhaust temp sensor. We have the exhaust temp sensor, make sure it's plugged in. We also got the exhaust manifold couplers and the clamps, make sure they're nice and tight. Last but not least, we have the exhaust pipe coupler and clamp, and then we also have that engine support. Just make sure everything's in place and you're good to go.